They're ready, folks.
For refreshment that is great.
If it's early or it's late,
It's Orange Crush. Orange Crush. The drink that's extra good.
Fresh fruit flavor.
that's for me. It tastes better.
Naturally.
Orange Crush. Orange Crush.
Satisfy the kiddies with a bag of crisp, crunchy popcorn. And don't forget to get an extra bag or two to take to the car to munch on during the show. You will also want to take a supply of ice-cold soft
Drive
drinks.
some car on the road. Try a handsome new, gleaming new 9-passenger Bowville. For shopping, for hauling a full load of kids to a picnic, you name it, the Bowville fills the bill. Or step into a Bel Air Sport Coupe, long, low, distinctive, truly Chevrolet in design and performance. You'll like Chevy's Get Up and Go.
Carroll Shelby, engineer, race driver. The car, the Shelby Mustang GT. To build my kind of car, I had to take an existing car and modify it. I could have chosen any set of wheels I wanted. I picked Mustang. Mustang is style right.
The show starts in 10 minutes. Yes, folks, it's intermission time. So how about taking a break? Get out and stretch a little and relax before the show begins again. And why not make it
dogs are playing. The coffee is steaming. And a luscious treasure of confectionery delights with ice cream and candy and so much more to tempt any taste is waiting for you now at the snack bar. You'll be notified in plenty of time when the next show is about to begin.
Lobby. Let's all go to the lobby. Let's all go to the lobby to get ourselves a treat.
Delicious things to eat.
The popcorn can't be beat.
Time out for a delicious snack in our sparkling refreshment building. Every item a fresh, appetizing taste treat.
We've a large assortment of freshly made sandwiches.
Mr. Projectionist, stop the show. Here's great news you ought to know. We've just got a shipment of taste-thrilled treats, all tip-top quality and delicious eats. There are hot dogs and popcorn and candy galore.
And the builders and the testers had fun. And while it's never going to take the place of the family car, I, for one, am going to have a lot of fun owning it. Now, this could never have happened unless the world's largest manufacturer of automobiles had put its tremendous resources back of the job of designing and building a sports car to uphold American leadership in every field of transportation. They built her to handle like an angel.
For my toddy, the chocolate drink that's just grand. Toddy does taste grand. At the snack bar or at your car. During intermission, enjoy a toddy. The delicious chocolate drink in a can. Ice cold or steaming hot, toddy hits the spot with everybody.
He is the greatest. Because when it comes to winning blue ribbons, Dad can sure show us all how. For chances are he's always too busy making life easier for others to have time to collect them. So let's all toast the great family hero with a
Evening. The refreshment stand will remain open for a short time. Still plenty of time to get a snack or cold drink. We'll make an announcement before the stand closes to give you plenty of time to get that last.
Pontiac announces the great American sport for 1968. Wide tracking.
You and me go wide tracking. Wide tracking here and gone.
What's wide tracking? It's the difference between plain, ordinary driving.
Buttercup is born. It's delicious.
So nutritious.
It's a taste delight.
It's so munchy.
Crisp and crunchy.
You'll enjoy each bite. Eat butter-drenched Buttercup popcorn at its best. Served in a king-size cup.
Stations are pretty much alike. Service stations aren't. It doesn't take long to see the difference. Long enough for your Gulf dealer to check a few things. Rear window, so you can see what's behind you better. Taillights, so what's behind can see you better. Tires, whether they're worn, bruised, or cut.
The great
special savings on specially equipped Fury, Valiant, Barracuda, and Belvedere models.
Enjoy breathtaking, taste-tempting candies of finest quality. Enjoy popcorn, exploded into tender, delicious, crispy bites of crunchy goodness. Enjoy the tops in cool, refreshing soft drinks. If you want to enjoy some refreshments, this is your opportunity. There will now be a short intermission.
Oh, that's not big enough. No, that's not big enough either. That's more like it. We're delighted to have you with us, and we extend a cordial welcome to you. We've lined up the top stars from Hollywood and from all over the world to entertain you on our giant screen with the new, colorful motion pictures you've been hearing about.
Oh, an oven-fresh bun. And I'm ready for your eating fun.
Why don't you try a juicy good hot dog?
It's intermission time, folks. So hurry, hurry, hurry. Step right over to our refreshment center for the most extravagant array of refreshment goodies ever assembled under one roof. Enjoy breathtaking, mouth-watering goodies.
And now take advantage of this special offer. A powerful 6-transistor Sinclair radio at a very special price. Only $3.98 at your Sinclair dealers. Take it with you everywhere you go. Case, battery, earphone, and it's only $3.98 while they last. Where you see this sign at your Sinclair dealer.
Time that stretch you've been wanting. And best of all, time to take your pick from that scrumptious array of tasty treats waiting for you at the snack bar, where the popcorn's poppin'.
Hard to resist the tantalizing aroma and taste appeal of a sizzling hot dog. The nice part of it is, there's one waiting for you right now at the refreshment stand.
The biggest stars for fun-filled, pleasure-packed evenings. Relax, come as you are, and spend an enjoyable night out with the entire family. No parking problems, no babysitting problems. And there are always tasty snacks.
For the time is now, the time is here. Now's the time for a bite of cheer. A tasty delight where the price is right. Well, look at here, you'll dig this sight. The moment's handy for a piece of candy. Just name your brand, they're all so grand. Hey, what do you think of a nice cool drink? Or a big box filled with a popcorn thrill. Let your taste buds meet with an ice cream treat. Refresh yourselves, it's time.
Why fuss and fret about dinner? Why not have it right here? Yes, this drive-in offers everyone in the family a real picnic treat for dinner. We've got delicious sandwiches with all the trimmings and your other dinner favorites, plus whatever you want to drink, hot or cold. Come early before the show starts, or eat while you're being entertained.
Boys have come to claim me treasure.
Well, we'd like to see the gold first.
Ethan, there's better than gold in here, me lad. No, just look here now.
Candy, refreshing soft drinks, popcorn, ice cream. Well, that's some treasure, but anyone can buy luscious treats like these at the snack bar.
You don't tell me.
And now, ladies and gentlemen, time for the show. Once again, thank you for coming to our theater tonight. Have an enjoyable evening. The refreshment stand will remain open for a short time.
Soon to your neighborhood. Winter. The year's most gripping, most chilling experience for you and your car. When winter comes, will your car be ready? Make it ready now with your Texaco dealer's exclusive 3-season antifreeze service. Fall, winter, spring protection for the price of winter protection alone this fall. Get a complete cooling system check, plus Texaco antifreeze. Guaranteed antifreeze protection. Then, all winter long, this seal guarantees that any Texaco dealer will maintain
the to get a snack or cold drink. We'll make an announcement before the stand closes to give you plenty of time to get that last-minute treat.
This way, folks, for the most extravagant array of refreshment goodies ever assembled under one roof. Enjoy breathtaking, taste-tempting candies of finest quality. Enjoy popcorn, exploded into tender, delicious, crispy bites of crunchy goodness. Enjoy the tops in cool, refreshing soft drinks. If you want to enjoy some refreshments, this is your opportunity. There will now be a short intermission.